Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be answering the question if Coke Zero is bad for you. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so if you guys live under a rock and you've never heard of Coke Zero, all that is it's a spin-off of the classic version of Coca-Cola, and this is deemed to be a healthier version of it. So, zero sugar. They claim to have no sugar in it, so it's way healthier than the classic version of Coca-Cola, but we're going to be diving into that here today. So, Coke Zero claims to have 0 calories and 0 sugar, but it tastes just the same, right? So, everybody who is trying to become more health conscious, or maybe they're trying to lose weight, but they still want to have their soda, are all going nuts, like, oh my god, Coke Zero, I get to have my Coca-Cola, but it's way healthier for me and I don't have any food guilt, and this is just great. So yes, this drink has 0 calories, it has 0 sugars, but it also has essentially 0 nutrition too, which you probably could have guessed that. So along with 0 sugar and 0 calories, there's also 0 fats and 0 protein, and then just a little bit of potassium and sodium. So the way that they're able to sweeten this drink up without using any sugars is just using artificial sweeteners. And by doing this, they're not adding any calories either. Now, that's a totally different topic of artificial sweeteners. I can totally make another video just on that topic alone because I know this is a very controversial topic and some people think they're crazy bad for you, some people think they're good for you, some people are just kind of not sure. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a video on that. But regardless, there is certain research that shows these artificial sweeteners can lead to different diseases or obesity and things like that, so that is a reason why a lot of people want to stay away from them, or one of the reasons that people want to stay away. So acesulfame and aspartame are going to be sweeteners that Coke Zero is using that are artificial, that's going to help give that sweet taste. The other ingredients are going to be your carbonated water, your caramel coloring, which I can, again, make a totally different video just on different colorings alone and side effects and controversial topics of the effects and all that kind of stuff. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do that too. And then, of course, we have our food additives and our natural flavors that are going to be included in the Coke Zero too. Now, these are all ingredients are going to be found right on the label. I can either add a photo right on the screen, or you guys can look it up, or if you guys have had Coke Zero, I'm not going to buy it just for this video because I'm not going to drink it and I don't want anyone else drinking it. So that's just why I don't have it with me here. Usually I'll have like a prop or something, like in my PB2 video or something like that, but not today. So now again, when I go over these topics, I'm just giving you guys kind of a summation of all the research that is out there already. Everything that I talk about, you can go right online and read it yourself. It's just very important to make sure you're checking out your source and where this research, where these studies are being held. Is it, Joe Schmo in their backyard, or is it an actual scientific study based on real evidence? So how many beverages do you guys think you drink per day or per week that have artificial sweeteners in them? Is it 1? Is it 2 a day? Is it 3 a day? Is it more? So there was a study that was done over the span of 8 years. It was an observational study that studied the effects of those who drank artificial sweeteners throughout the week that were about the 21 and over range of the amount of beverages they would have, which you're probably like, I don't drink 21 drinks throughout the week that have artificial sweeteners or whatever. It's really not that crazy when you think about it. Let's just say breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that's 3 drinks. Let's just say you have 3 drinks a day that aren't water or something else. So let's say in the morning you have, a juice or a cranberry juice that has an artificial sweetener or something like that. And then in the middle of the day, you have another juice, or you have an iced tea or something that has an artificial sweetener. And then at dinner, you have a soda or something like that. So it's really not that hard to make it to the 21 mark. But anyway, what this study showed is that these people who had consumed 21 or more drinks that had artificial sweeteners throughout the week nearly doubled their risk of having obesity and being overweight compared to those who didn't consume these drinks. Now, what might be confusing in studies like this is that even though these people are consuming less amount of calories with this diet or sugar-free type of diet, they were still showing an increase in body weight. So this shows that these artificial sweeteners are having more of an influence on your body other than just the calorie intake. Now there was another study that showed drinking a diet soda increased your waist circumference. Okay, so if you guys know me at all, you know that I love lemon, and I told you, I believe in maybe my creamy lemonade video, how much I love lemon and how my dad, when I was younger, used to yell at me all the time because I would literally go in the fridge and like eat lemons, and he would tell me like I'm going to destroy the enamel on my teeth and blah 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 blah. So brings me to my next topic. So if you guys don't know what tooth erosion is, it's going to be really important here for drinking these types of sodas. So diet sodas and tooth erosion go hand in hand here. So tooth erosion is essentially the loss of the surface of your teeth. So just for easy vocabulary, let's just say the enamel of your teeth. Now this is the same as with normal soda, but I'll tell you why it's especially important here with the diet sodas or the zero sugar soda. Now, one of the main ingredients in Coke Zero is phosphoric acid. Now, phosphoric acid is an acid, of course, and over-consuming this and having it all the time does cause thunder. Things are getting real creepy here, you guys. But this does cause some tooth and enamel erosion. Now, Coca-Cola Light, which is like a diet Coke compared to just the Coke Zero, has phosphoric acid and citric acid, and in a study done in cows' teeth, it showed that the cow's teeth already showed signs of erosion in just 3 minutes. 3 minutes! So now let's say you or someone you know has diabetes. So you're looking at, oh, I want to have soda, or they want to have soda and they love Coca-Cola, but they just can't have the sugar. So you're like, oh, wow, this is a zero sugar option. Like, this is perfectly fine and safe. But that's not necessarily true because these artificial sweetener options might not necessarily be safer. Now, this is another controversial topic, but there have been plenty of studies that do show that consuming these artificial sweeteners can risk or increase your risk of having type 2 diabetes. So if it's a risk at all, just don't drink it. Don't even risk it. It's really not worth it. Now, kidney disease is going to be a big one here. Now, I do know a lot of people, friends, family members that love, love, love soda, and they're not thinking about it at all. They just like the taste, or they're thinking, oh, it's sugar, and I'll just, eat healthier the rest of the day, or I'll whatever. But these other risks of different diseases are really no joke. And it just might be things that you're not really thinking about. So increased kidney disease, for example. There is a high amount of phosphorus, like a good amount of phosphorus content in your sodas. Did you know that? And that can cause kidney damage. If you're having, a bunch of soda, if you're having a soda every day for every week, and you know what I mean? Like, that adds up and it's really not good on your kidneys. And your gut microbiome is another big one. You can develop poor blood sugar control because of what these artificial sweeteners are altering in your gut microbiome. And the list goes on and on. Now, am I telling you if you drink soda once a week or once a day, whatever, you're just gonna die, you're gonna get all these different diseases and whatnot? No, I'm not telling you that. I'm just letting you know the risks and just giving you guys some clear-cut research as to, why maybe you should think twice, or maybe why I don't drink it, or, what I mean? Like, to me, all these different risks don't really, I don't see the risk and reward scale, oh, but, I really want that soda. I would rather drink something else that I don't even have to think about. Am I saying no one's allowed to drink soda anymore and all you can drink is water? No, that is unrealistic, but you guys just watch out for your consumption. Just do some research and figure out what it really is that you're putting into your body, because this kind of stuff is controllable. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes Coke, Pepsi, sodas, just to teach them something. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.